Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you that how you can transfer large files online on very fast. So let's start with the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your Chrome browser. Then you have to search a phrase that called Trophy Share. You have to search for this. Then you will find a website called Trophy Share, just like this. You have to click on this option. Then after going to the website, you can see here is a bunch of options here. You can transfer files securely from here. So please just make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after landing on this page, you have to click on select files to transfer the file. You have to click on media picker to transfer the file from your phone. Then you have to select your file that you want to share. Then after that, immediately your Trophy Share website will make you a link that you can share to your friend or anyone. You can click on share and you can click on copy. Then you have to send this link to your friend that they can download this file from Trophy Share. Please guys, make sure you are on the website while they are downloading, so the download will be very fast on this file. So this is how you can share any large file on your mobile phone from online. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.